How to use Calendly for appointments. Hey there, drowning in appointment scheduling emails? Calendly can be your lifesaver. Here's a quick guide on how to use Calendly for appointments in under 2 minutes. First of all, head over to calendly.com and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. If you do, please sign in. Connect Calendly to your calendar, for example, Google Calendar, Outlook, etc., and define your available time slots for appointments. Choose one-on-one meeting for individual appointments or explore options for group meetings, polls, and more. Personalize your booking page with your name, business info, and branding. You can even add a video greeting. Copy the unique link to your booking page and share it with anyone who needs to schedule an appointment with you. They can see your availability and choose a time that works for both of you. Calendly automatically adds appointments to your calendar and sends confirmation emails to both you and your invitee. No more scheduling ping pong. Calendly simplifies appointment scheduling, freeing up your time for what matters most. Ready to give it a try? Sign up for Calendly today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.